Welcome to the White Eagle podcast. I'm Sophie.
I'm James. Today, we talk about introducing yourself.
It's very important. You need it at school, with friends, or online.
Sophie, I'm nervous. How do I introduce myself?
Don't worry, James. It's easy. Just say your name. Like, "Hi, my name is James."
Hi, my name is James.
Good job. You can also say, "Hello, I'm James."
Hello, I'm James. That's simple.
Yes, you can add more. Say your age or where you're from.
Like what?
Try this. Hi, I'm James. I'm 15 years old. I'm from Greenfield.
Hi, I'm James. I'm 15 years old. I'm from Greenfield.
Perfect. That tells people about you.
Is it okay to say my age?
Yes, at school, many students say their age. It's normal.
Can I talk about my hobbies?
Yes, hobbies show who you are. People may like the same things.
Like my friend Tom. He plays basketball, and I do too.
Exactly. Say, "Hi, I'm James. I like basketball and reading books."
Hi, I'm James. I like basketball and reading books.
Great. Now, what if a teacher asks you to introduce yourself?
Is it different?
Yes, be polite. Say, "Good morning. My name is James Parker. I'm 15. I like basketball."
Good morning. My name is James Parker. I'm 15. I like basketball.
That's polite and clear. Good job.
What if I meet a student in the hallway?
Be casual. Just smile and say, "Hey, I'm James."
Hey, I'm James.
Nice. If they ask, "What do you like?" say, "I like basketball."
I like basketball. Okay, I get it. Polite for teachers, casual for friends.
Yes.
What if you're at your dad's office?
What do I say?
Be very polite. Say, hello, my name is James Parker. Nice to meet you.
"Hello, my name is James Parker. Nice to meet you."
Perfect. Should you shake hands?
Yes, if they offer. And smile, right?
Right. So polite for adults, casual for friends.
Got it. Sophie, are you joining any school clubs?
Yes, the basketball club.
You need to introduce yourself there too.
But they know I like basketball. Is that enough?
No, say something like, "Hi everyone, I'm James Parker. I love basketball."
Hi, everyone. I'm James Parker. I love basketball.
Nice. It shows you're friendly.
What if they ask, what position do you play?
Say, "I play guard."
I play guard. That's easy.
What about online introductions?
Write a short message like, Hi, I'm James. I like basketball.
Is it safe?
Yes, but don't share your address or phone number.
Okay, just my name and hobbies.
Right. Sometimes a teacher asks you to speak to the class.
That's scary.
Don't worry. Say, "Hello, everyone. I'm James Parker. I'm 15. I like basketball and reading."
Hello, everyone. I'm James Parker. I'm 15. I like basketball and reading.
Great. Smile and speak slowly.
Okay.
Sophie, I was shy with introductions before.
Me too. Sometimes I'm still nervous.
I had a job interview. They said, "Tell us about yourself." I froze.
Did you run away?
No, I smiled and said my name. Then it was easier.
Practice helps. Try with friends or family.
I practice with my cat. He listens well.
Ha ha. Practice for school or meeting people.
I like how we showed short and long introductions.
Yes. Sometimes just your name. Sometimes add hobbies.
It's a chance to make friends.
Right. Say, "Hi, I'm Sophie," and people talk to you.
I met a friend on a train. We talked about food.
That's why introductions are great. Should you learn one introduction?
No. Learn a few. Change them for teachers or friends.
Yes. If you make a mistake, it's okay. People are kind.
Be friendly and clear. That's a good introduction.
Let's try more situations, James.
Okay. What's next?
Imagine you're in an online English class.
What do I say?
Write or say, "Hi, I'm James. I'm learning English. I like reading."
Hi, I'm James. I'm learning English. I like reading.
Good. Keep it short online.
Can I say my city?
Yes, but not your address. Say, "I'm from Greenfield."
I'm from Greenfield. Got it.
Now, imagine you're at the library. You meet a new friend.
I say, "Hey, I'm James. I like books."
Perfect. Maybe add, "What books do you like?"
Hey, I'm James. I like books. What books do you like?
Nice. That starts a conversation.
What if I'm traveling?
Be polite. Say, "Hello, I'm James. I'm from Greenfield. I like traveling."
Hello, I'm James. I'm from Greenfield. I like traveling.
Great. You can add, "I speak English."
Hello, I'm James. I'm from Greenfield. I like traveling. I speak English.
That's perfect for meeting people abroad.
What if I'm at a school party?
Be casual. Say, "Hi, I'm James. I like dancing."
Hi, I'm James. I like dancing.
Good. It's fun and friendly.
I like practicing these. It's not scary anymore.
Yes, the more you practice, the easier it is.
Can we try introducing someone else?
Sure. Say, "This is my friend Tom. He likes basketball."
This is my friend Tom. He likes basketball.
That helps people talk to Tom.
I want to try more phrases.
Okay. Say, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you.
Or, "I'm happy to meet you."
I'm happy to meet you.
For casual, say, Hey, I'm Sophie.
Hey, I'm James.
Or, Hi there, I'm James.
Hi there, I'm James.
Perfect. Use different phrases for different people.
What about nicknames?
Say, My name is Jonathan, but call me John.
My name is James, but call me James.
That's friendly.
What about titles, like doctor?
Yes, for serious places. But students use first names.
Okay. Can I say my family?
Yes. Say, I'm James. I have 2 brothers.
I'm James. I have 2 brothers.
Good. Family is important in some places.
I want to practice more situations.
Let's try a school club meeting.
Hi, everyone. I'm James Parker. I love soccer.
Nice! Add, I'm happy to join the club.
Hi, everyone. I'm James Parker. I love soccer. I'm happy to join the club.
Perfect. What if you're at a new school?
Hello, everyone. I'm James. I'm new here. I like reading.
Great. Speak slowly and smile.
What if I meet my neighbor?
Be polite. Say, Hello, I'm James Parker. I live next door.
Hello, I'm James Parker. I live next door.
That's friendly and clear.
This is fun. I'm not nervous anymore.
See? Practice makes it easy.
Let's try a formal event, like a school ceremony.
Say, Hello, I'm James Parker. I'm happy to be here.
Hello, I'm James Parker. I'm happy to be here.
That's polite for serious places.
I like learning all these ways.
Yes, you can use them anywhere.
What's another situation?
Imagine you're at a language club.
Hi, I'm James. I'm learning English. I like music.
Good. Add, I want to practice speaking.
Hi, I'm James. I'm learning English. I like music. I want to practice speaking.
Perfect. That shows you're excited to learn.
What if I'm at a sports game?
Be casual. Say, Hey, I'm James. I like sports.
Hey, I'm James. I like sports.
Nice. You can add, I cheer for the blue team.
Hey, I'm James. I like sports. I cheer for the blue team.
That's fun. People will talk to you.
I want to try one more.
Okay, imagine you're at a family party.
Hello, I'm James. I'm 15. I like playing games.
Good. Add, I'm happy to meet my family.
Hello, I'm James. I'm 15. I like playing games. I'm happy to meet my family.
Perfect. You're ready for any situation.
Thanks, Sophie. I feel confident now.
You're welcome. Let's share more tips.
Okay, what else can I say?
Say where you're from. Like, I'm from Canada.
I'm from Canada.
Or, I'm from Brazil.
I'm from Brazil.
good. That's great for meeting new people.
Can I say my language?
Yes. Say, I speak English and Spanish.
I speak English and Spanish.
Perfect for travel or online classes.
What about hobbies?
Say, I like cooking.
I like cooking.
Or, I like music.
I like music.
Hobbies make you interesting.
I want to try more introductions.
Let's do a quick practice. You're at a new class. Go.
Hello, everyone. I'm James Parker. I'm 15. I like soccer.
Great. Now a friend's party.
Hey, I'm James. I like dancing.
Nice. One more. At a book club.
Hi, I'm James. I love reading books.
Perfect. You're ready for anything.
This is so helpful, Sophie.
I'm glad. Let's try introducing each other.
This is my friend Sophie. She likes books.
This is my friend James. He likes basketball.
That's fun.
Yes, it helps people talk.
I want to introduce myself again.
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm James. I like food, sports, and naps.
Nice. My turn. Hi, I'm Sophie. I like books, walks, and teaching.
That's you. Every introduction shares a little about you.
Listeners, practice your introductions. Be friendly and smile.
Keep practicing. You'll get better every time.
This is the White Eagle podcast. See you next time.
Bye-bye.